Prinzmetal angina, all it is it's the coronary arteries are basically squeezing down and clamping down on each other. Okay, so anything that causes vasospasm, so medications, environmental factors. So think about the classic drug overdose that causes vasospasm. You're thinking something like cocaine. That can cause really, really bad vasospasm of your coronary arteries. All right, what about caffeine? So people that just had 2 or 3 coffees, they might feel this vasospastic angina. All right, so these are all types of triggers. And so the big thing that you want to think about is, with vasospastic angina, how is the pathogenesis related to the treatment? So let's draw our blood vessel. So in your blood vessel, you have 3 layers. You have the inside, the middle, and then you have the outside. Okay, so the names of the layers are the intima on the inside, the media on the middle, and then the external layer, which is like your adventitial layer on the outside.